Science has never been cooler or hotter. Hello everyone, let's make this density demonstration a bit more fun. Grab two equally sized glasses and a piece of flat plastic. Fill one glass to the brim with chilly blue colored water and the other with steamy red colored water. Now, place the plastic on top of the hot water glass, flip it upside down like a boss and set it on top of the cold water glass. Carefully remove the plastic, making sure the rims match up perfectly to let the water mix. Here's the scoop. The hot and cold water don't mix right away. Why? Because the cold water is denser. Its particles are snuggling up tighter than the hot waters and gravity's got them on lock. But switch things around. Put the cold water on top and bam! The cold water plummets to the hot water, mixing things up faster than a magician's trick. Now, let's move on to the next part. Can salt water mix with fresh water? Add salt in one of the jars, then mix thoroughly. Add water up to the rim of the jar. Now lay a card on top of the jar of fresh water. Then turn the fresh water jar upside down. Remove the card very gently. Let us answer a few questions here. Do salt water and fresh water mix? Yes, they do mix together. But why they didn't mix right away? Salt water is denser than fresh water. This causes the fresh water to float and form a layer on top of the salty water. Will they mix together after some time? Yes, they will mix eventually. That mixed water is called brackish water. Now, turning the jar upside down a couple of times mixes the two liquids. Hold on to your hats, because here comes the most exciting part of our story. We are diving into the magical world of the density column experiment. Sure, we know the science behind it, but there's always room for a bit more wonder. For a deeper dive, don't forget to pick into the description box. Enjoy! Let's dive into a fun experiment that's both a science lesson and a DIY project. First, pour water into a glass, then add some cooking oil. If you want to get creative, feel free to add a splash of color. Watch as the water settles at the bottom due to its higher density. Next, cut out a circular plastic sheet and make a small X in the center to fit the candle wick thread. Carefully insert the wick into the glass jar, ensuring it sits snugly in the X-shaped cut. Before lighting the candle, let the wick absorb enough oil to start burning. Remember, the more oil you add, the longer your candle will burn. That's a wrap for today. Let me know in the comments below which of these experiments you'd like to try at home. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.